Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V15 Pro, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. To start it, we're gonna hold our power button, and when you see your two boot options, you wanna select power off. When the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now once you see the VIVO fast boot mode, you want to let go of those two keys, and then using your either volume up or down, you want to select recovery mode, confirm it with the power button. Here we're gonna select clear data and then clear cache. Confirm by selecting OK. I'm gonna select return, arrow back, and restart. OK. And this will now bring us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.